It's okay, darling.
Tired of loud noises from slamming doors? Worried that your kids might suffer finger pinch injuries? Frequent slamming will also cause the door mechanic to break down faster. Not anymore! Introducing Estron soft closing sliding system.
The feature soft closing used to be a premium upgrade in the commercial environment, but Estron is making it the new norm in residential homes in Singapore these days. So what's so special about them? Well, aesthetically, they look more refined when opening or closing the door, as it comes to a gradual stop at the end. More importantly, they are safe, and we can see why they are popular among families like us. The gentle soft closing is a crucial safety mechanism for children that protects my son from pinching his little fingers and hands. Right, boy?
Yes, Mommy.
For more information, do contact us.